Welcome back to Success with Steven. My name is Steven Smith. On this channel, we discuss all things financial literacy. And today we're going to be discussing the BILL Divvy business credit card. I was just approved for a $10,000 line of credit with no personal guarantee. And we're going to be talking about exactly how this line can help improve your business and also how you can get approved for this as well. This is a fantastic tool for managing your company's expenses, earning rewards, and simplifying your financial processes. The BILL Divvy corporate card is a smart corporate credit card that pairs with bill.com, and it uses the financial software to automate the expense management process, and this is recommended for small to medium-sized companies. The cloud-based BILL platform lets business owners and managers monitor company spending in real time via instant notifications for every card swipe, eliminating the need for workers to file expense reports, and you can manually add all the information for your finances, your HR teams, and process them manually as well. So if you've already used bill.com to keep track of your business expenses, then getting the BILL Divvy corporate card might seem like an obvious choice. There's no annual fee, you'll earn rewards, and it integrates with the BILL spend and expense software. So when you need to seamlessly manage expenses and handle essential business spending, maximizing the BILL Divvy card benefits is the best bet. The BILL Divvy card may be issued by Cross River Bank, which is a member FDIC insured bank, WebBank, or WEX. Because these lenders vary, the approval criteria can seem very complicated, but we're going to go through all the data points for you so you can also get approved for this credit card. There's no fees for employee cards, so additional cardholder fees can add up quickly, but with the BILL Divvy card, it provides unlimited physical and virtual cards for all employees completely free. I don't know about you, but I can think of a lot of good uses for unlimited virtual cards. Now, with no personal guarantee, many businesses that had risk associated with late payments or unpaid balances that would fall on the individual cardholder, the BILL Divvy card does not require a personal guarantee for the business owner, nor does it conduct a hard inquiry in order to get approved for this product. There's also customizable reward structures where most business and corporate cards offer rewards and spending. The BILL Divvy card is unique that its reward structure is tied to the payoff cycle that you select at the time of your application. With this structure, this effectively lets you choose your own earning rates. Now that we've explored the details and the benefits of this card, let's talk about the approval process and how you can also get approved. Now, business owners need to apply for this line of credit on BILL's website. BILL will then perform a soft inquiry on the business and the authorized signer's personal credit to determine the best credit limit for your business. This soft pull will be from Experian on the personal side of Experian. You'll also be getting a soft pull on the business side of Experian. Now, there is not a credit score requirement that I could find on this particular card. I did a lot of searching to try to get all the criteria that we could possibly use. There is no credit score requirement. You'll need to have a business bank account in order to get approved for this card. The business must have an active U.S. bank account, and the business must have a stable and predictable cash flow. Meaning when you link your checking account, in order for BILL Divvy to check this, you need to link an account that has consistent cash flow. I would say of at least $3,000 per month. Now, I don't believe it has to be exactly a business deposit, but I do believe you should have an ACH deposit of $3,000 at the very least per month. As far as cash, the business may need to have at least $20,000 in available cash. Now, I applied for this card once before. When I originally applied, I just initially started my business and I was denied. I assumed I was denied because I didn't fully structure my business. While that might have played a part, I do believe that they base a lot of their approvals on the amount of cash that you have in your account and how much cash flow that you have. Most no-fee business credit cards, while there are a few, they require that you have a certain amount of cash flow in order for you to get approved for any of their products. If the business has sufficient cash to repay the credit, I think that's one of the largest determining factors on whether or not you will get approved. As far as business history goes, the business must have a minimum of 3 months to 2 years of operational history. A longer business history can demonstrate some stability and reliability. Now, this is criteria that I've come up with myself. There isn't much data points that you can find online, but for me getting denied for this card originally to getting approved right now, I've come up with an idea of maybe the reason why I was denied originally. At the time, I had a business that was less than 1 month old. I also did not have as much cash flow, but my credit score was relatively the exact same, which would lead me to believe that your credit score is not the end all be all. It has to do with the amount of cash that you have in your bank account and also if your business is structured properly. Those are the two things that I would focus on in order to get approved for this particular credit card. Now, for legal compliance, the business must comply with all applicable laws and regulations, and the business should not engage in any of the prohibited industries as defined by Divvy and BILL. I do think that you know if your business is in a high risk industry. We've talked about this before. If not, refer back to my video that I just did about mistakes to avoid with a brand new LLC. If you haven't seen that, I recommend that you watch that. It's very good with giving you more information on that particular topic. The last thing is identity verification. Now, the business owner may need to provide personal information to verify their identity. And I did, and I was able to get approved for this credit line. And finally, we're going to talk about how to apply. I'm going to walk you through step by step the entire application process so you'll have a better idea of what's required of you and what you should put on the application. So we are on the Divvy BILL application website. I am going to link this in the description so you can click on it and then you can follow those steps to apply. So the first thing that you want to do is enter your business email. As you guys should already know, a part of structuring your business is having a business email, not a personal email. So first thing that we're going to do is enter in this information. Now, I'm on my dashboard where I applied. As you can see, on March the 6th of 2024, my application was denied. That was actually 5 days after I started my new business. Now, as you can see, my offer was accepted right here. Thank you for accepting your offer. We'll verify your identity and business information. This may take 3 to 5 days. If we need more information, we'll email you. And this was accepted on February the 14th. Now, I'm going to go to begin new application so we can go through the process again. Now, you're going to want to enter your first name, your last name, your business phone number. Again, structuring your business. A part of that is having a separate number other than your personal. You're going to enter your business email, your legal business name, the number of employees that you have, the type of entity that you're using. So you'll want to make sure that it is one of these, and you do have the option of doing a sole proprietorship. So that is something that you can choose. And you'll also have the option of doing a corporation, doing a partnership. So one of these you'll want to select. You'll also want to choose the industry that you're currently in. And then you'll also want to choose if you're using an accounting software right now. If you have none, just select none. Now you should get a screen that looks like this where it says start application, submit an application. It takes 9 to 12 minutes. To speed things along, you want to be sure to have the authorized signer's information, which should be you. You want to have your company owner's information if that's applicable. You want to have your business bank account information, your business tax ID, and your formation date. Now, once you click on the option to continue your application, you'll be asked to enter your business website. Once again, in structuring your business, this was something that you should have already done. You need your business tax ID. You also need the ownership percentage. If you're the 100% business owner, then this is going to more than likely be a private company, and you're going to be a 100% owner of that company. You're going to enter your formation date, the date of your business being incorporated. Then you'll enter your business physical address, your city, your state, and your zip code. If the mailing address is different than the physical address, then you can check this box right here and you can enter a different mailing address. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter your financial information. That's going to be your business annual revenue, your desired amount of credit line, and the amount you expect to spend monthly. You'll also enter your preferred billing/reward cycle. Previously, we spoke about that. Depending on the cycle date that you pick will determine on when you get your rewards. And then you can also pick an outsourced accountant if that's applicable to you. You'll also be asked to enter your business bank account information. You can select the institution that you're using from this list, but you can also search for it if you don't find it. Now, if for whatever reason you've used this and you still can't find it, close out this window with the X right here, and there'll be an option toward the bottom to enter your bank account information manually. Once you're done, you'll get this screen where it says connecting to your bank. I connected my Navy Federal account. So it says getting verification, and it says success. You have successfully connected Navy Federal Credit Union to Divvy, a BILL.com company. So now that it has all of my bank accounts that are for my business, we're all done here and we can move on to the next step. Next, you'll be asked to enter the authorized signer information, which should be you. That's going to be your first name, your last name, your title in the business, your date of birth, your work email. You'll also enter your actual mobile number and then your physical address. Now, here at the bottom of the screen, you want to make sure that you enter your social security number. Once again, this is not a hard inquiry. It will not be a hard inquiry on your credit report. They do a soft pull, but even when they do the soft pull, again, you will not be impacted whatsoever. Then you'll be asked if you have any company owners. You'll want to select yes, of course, and then you'll want to look at your name. It'll be right here, and then click add as owner. All right. That's going to assign you as the company owner and the authorized signer for this application. Now, once everything's said and done, you will be asked to read and agree to the following, which is your credit report consent, your authorization to obtain your credit report, and you are also authorizing the credit reporting agencies to allow them to do a soft pull on your credit report. You don't have to unfreeze it. You don't have to do anything else. Just submit and you are all done with this application. Now, to provide you with a little more information, in about 3 to 5 business days, you're going to get an email. That email will let you know, congratulations, you are approved. We need to verify your identity. They're going to send you some information where you can upload either a copy of your driver's license or your passport or any identification, anything like that you need to upload. Then you can upload it there. They will give you your credit line that you are approved for based on what they saw in your bank account and your business credit score and your personal credit score. But once again, it's no personal guarantee. It's no hard inquiry. They won't hold you personally liable for this card or anything like that. All right. So once everything is said and done, you will get that information in an email and they will let you know exactly what you were approved for. That, again, is dependent upon what was in your bank account, what was on your credit report, and what was on your business credit report for Experian, respectively, for both. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any additional questions about this Divvy bill application or anything that you would like to know about how I submitted my application other than what I already showed you on this video, let me know down in the comments. If you have questions about how high this limit goes, then I have to tell you right now, I'm not sure, but I will be trying to get a limit increase on this for as much as I can possibly get. It's always good to have credit cards that don't require a personal guarantee, and I'll keep you updated on any changes as more information comes out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and you have a wonderful day.